Alright everyone, here we are with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video and to stay tuned on in towards the second half of this video, guys. Right after this chart analysis, I have a ticker symbol to share with you guys, as well as the opportunities we found this morning over at the Discord. We hit a home run of 50% plus today. It was spectacular. And if that's something that interests you and you want to become part of, and you want to know what stocks I watch daily, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together to maximize profits and minimize losses. So here we are with CLOV stock, Clover Health Investments. CLOV stock, or CLOV stock, has actually pulled back a little bit. So in the morning, it had a major pullback and a jump right back up to the 15s, and it's just been falling all day. Now it's getting closer to the lows that we recently saw, and one of the most important support levels right now is 1339 within this consolidation. The question is, will it go into further weakness if it breaks through that, right? We've talked about the strength from this point all the way back to where all of this started at $6 and $7 to where it's at now, that it's nearly up 100%, 90% from those lows. But it looks like things got weak because it fell from way up here at 28, which was another 100% to the downside. But the bigger picture of it all, it's still up 90 to 100% from way down here. Now things are getting weaker here, and this is in tug of war zone for the last several days, and the 50-day moving average has been a big indicator to let us know when there's weakness, when there's strength, and who is dominating the chart. The bulls have tried to come back up, but the bears have been dominating since June 9th at this crossover here of the 50-day moving average. And the bulls have fought to bring themselves back up, but it's been pulling downwards. So it's going to be very important to watch these points moving forward and what's going on. But right now, yes, this is in tug of war zone, and we need to watch this carefully. So what's important? The 50-day moving average is 1465. Anything below it is bearish. Anything above it is bullish. Our support level right now, which is the lowest point reached, is 1379. I'd watch that carefully. And if it gets crossed, I'd watch between 1379 and the lows of 1342, 43 very closely to see if the bulls try to reappear and bring it back up, or if the bears are tearing this one down fairly fast. Now, if the 50-day moving average does get crossed, which is 1465, the true resistance level that the bulls need to break through is the highest point of the day to pull further away from the 50-day moving average, pull further away from this resistance level, which is up here at 1545, turn it into a support to reach newer highs, new resistance levels, get out of bearish territory, gain leverage in bullish territory, and work their way up towards other resistance levels based off the history of the chart to go ahead and push upwards and continuing the momentum and rally. Now, this is strength still, but things are getting pretty weak the closer it gets to those lows, and if it starts touching newer lows and pulling further away from the 50-day moving average. If you learned something new, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell so you don't miss a single video that I post. Share this with a friend so they can receive the insight as well. And all I ask for is 3 to 5 more minutes of your time. So stay tuned on in. I have a ticker symbol to share with you guys, as well as the opportunities we found this morning over at the Discord. And if you want to know what stocks I watch daily, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description. We look forward to having you join us. Stay tuned. So the ticker symbol I have to share with you guys today is one that I've mentioned before, and I'm really liking how the chart is setting up. For those that are seeing this for the first time, the opportunity is becoming bigger and bigger. And for those that have already seen this one or know about it, it's a great time to keep average costs as low as possible to start watching this one moving forward. But before we look at that chart and everything to discuss about that stock, I want to share with you guys the opportunities we found this morning over at the Discord. Our highest one was a 50% plus home run. And if that's something you want to become part of and you want to know what stocks I watch daily, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together to maximize profits and minimize losses. Now, our highest jump of the day was 50% plus, and that was ALFI. We caught it at 408. We're going to look at that chart in just a moment. UXIN, we caught it at 590. It was pulling back into weakness. It continued to pull back. It hit lows close to $4, and it bounced back up to 448, 450 range, and that gave a nice 10% plus jump. CANF gave us little jumps of 3 to 5%, and OCGN gave us 8 to 10% after pulling back from where we watched it. But let's look at our home run of the day. So ALFI, we caught this one at 408. In the pre-market, before it started to run, it was consolidating and pulling back just a bit. Took off in the pre-market, pulled back just a few minutes into the bell, just about 10 to 12 minutes after the bell actually went off at 9:30, pulled back, hit lows here close to 470 range, and shot up to a high of 680, highest point of 50% plus since the moment we started watching it at 408. And from the moment we caught it at this dip, it gave a nice 30 to 50% jump in that run. This was a spectacular home run for the day. This is what we try to look for daily. So if that's something that interests you and you want to become part of and you want to know what stocks I watch daily, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord. So what's the stock you want to add to your watch list? Well, it's PSFE, PaySafe Limited. Now this is a stock I've talked about as it was pulling back to the 11s and 10s, and it bounced back up, giving a 10 to 20% jump, and it's pulled back down to the 11s. Now, what I'm really liking about the chart is that even though there's a lot of volatility, it has been staying within this channel between $10 and $12. Now, if it continues to stay within this area and it doesn't go much lower or higher, but stays within this channel, all it's going to take is one positive catalyst to actually take us up to newer highs and new resistance levels. Now, this is nowhere near the size of Square with the Cash App, of PayPal, of Zelle, of anything of that sort, but this is a payment processing company that's growing, and it's going to get its piece of the pie, in my opinion. There's enough pieces of the pie to go around for companies that are going to be adopted and used, and PaySafe is already out there. It has a lot of users. I definitely encourage you guys to check out their website and do more due diligence on this stock. The chart, I'm really liking it. Anywhere nearer to $10 is better. Anything below $10, I would have to reanalyze this, or even possibly say, you know what, the opportunity is becoming even bigger if fundamentals have not changed or nothing has changed drastically. It's just the charts. But right now, at these levels, I'm really liking it, and I'm liking the strength from 10.08 to where it's at right now at 11.26 to 11.40. That is showing strength, that it's consolidating at these levels even though the volatility is going on. As always, this is not financial advice. I'm not here to tell you guys to buy, sell, or hold any positions on any of the stocks I mentioned. I'm just here to enlighten you guys on the stocks I'm watching, why I'm watching them, and why I like them. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.